Why most people stay broke, even with a salary. Imagine two people, both have jobs, both receive a salary every month, both work hard. Yet after 5 years, one has savings, investments, and financial peace. The other is still living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Most people believe the problem is income. They think, if only I earned more money, all my financial problems would disappear. But that's not what usually happens. Think about it. Every month, money enters your bank account. For a brief moment, you feel secure. Then the money starts leaving. Rent, bills, food, subscriptions, shopping, entertainment, and dozens of small purchases that barely seem important. A coffee here, a delivery order there, a new gadget, a sale you couldn't resist. None of these purchases seem dangerous on their own, but together, they slowly drain your income. This is where most people get trapped. As their salary increases, their spending increases too. They earn more, so they upgrade their phone, move to a more expensive apartment, buy nicer clothes, eat out more often. Their lifestyle grows with their income, but their wealth doesn't. This is called lifestyle inflation. The more they earn, the more they spend. So despite making more money than before, they remain stuck in the same financial position. Meanwhile, financially successful people think differently. Instead of asking, what can I buy with this money? They ask, how can this money help me earn more money? They save first. They invest consistently. They buy assets that can grow in value over time. They understand something most people never learn. Wealth is not created by earning money. Wealth is created by keeping money and making it grow. That's why staying broke is rarely an income problem. It's usually a habit problem. The good news? Habits can change. And when your habits change, your financial future can change too. Start small, spend less than you earn. Save consistently, invest patiently. Because real wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one smart decision at a time.